Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, tap on draw. Select the draw. Zoom out. Now select the shape. Select the square. Scroll up. Tap on fill. Tap on OK. Now tap on color and bring this to here. Orange. Tap on tick. Now simply draw like this. Now tap on eraser. Tap on shape. Tap on OK. And we have to erase these unwanted parts. Perfect. Next step, we have to tap on layers. Tap on plus icon. Tap on empty layer. Now tap brush. Now select the shape. Now select the circle. Tap on OK. Now select the color. Now we have to bring the ash color, dark ash color. Now tap on tick. We have to simply draw one circle like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Now tap on shapes. Select the square. Tap on OK. And we have to erase these unwanted parts. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to FX. Now tap on simple. Scroll to the left. And we have to tap on Lomo. Now decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Now tap on eraser. Tap on shapes. Select first one. Simply rotate it like this. Now simply stretch out on the both sides. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Next step, we have to go to add photo and select further PNGs. First, I am going to arrange this in this portion here. Perfect. Next, we have to arrange this circle shadow effect in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. You have to erase the bottom portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next we have to go to add photo and select the model images. Two model images. By using this cutout tool, I already arranged the background. First I am going to arrange this background model image perfectly like this. Now tap on shadow. Now select the position and keep this 100 and keep this 100. Now tap on position, adjust and make it 100 and decrease it to 20. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Keep the hardness to 100. Perfect. Next I am going to arrange the standing pose model image in this portion here. Perfect. First you have to tap on shadow, tap on position, keep this 100, keep this 100, tap on adjust, make it 100 and decrease it to around 40. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. Friends, this is the shadow PNG. Simply squeeze it and arrange it in the bottom portion here. Tap on move down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, you have to go to add photo and select the further PNGs. These are the two further PNGs. Arrange this star PNG here. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate, arrange another one here. Again tap on duplicate, arrange another one here. Again tap on duplicate, arrange another one here. Perfect. Now go to here, arrange this love PNG here. Now tap on layers and you have to arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next we have to go to add photo and select the Instagram profile screenshot. Instagram profile screenshot. Now tap on crop. You have to crop the bio. Okay. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now we have to go to blend and tap on screen. Sorry, tap on multiple, and we have to arrange this one here perfectly. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase. You have to erase these portions. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. If you want, you can give final touch up in the tools. Okay, go to tools, go to adjust. You can give little clarity, little saturation, you can give little contrast, and give little shadow. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. Instagram creative photo editing tutorial. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.